Hey guys, so I am on my way to Okeeheelee Nature Trail. Not really sure if it's in West Palm Beach or Lake Worth. Still trying to figure that out.
Turn right.
So we've just made it to Okeeheelee Park, and as I look around, I'm noticing different trails. Okay, so it looks like there are paved paths, and I know there are paths for dirt bikes. We just got out here in the parking lot, and I'm noticing that it looks like they have 3 different types of trails. Which way you want to go, left or right? You want to just start this way? Okay, so we're going to start in the parking lot. I did, for a change, look at the map first, just to get an idea of what I was walking into, because I've never been to this park before. It looks like there are hiking trails for mountain bikes, there's a trail for horses, and then there are the hiking trails. So we just hopped on one. I don't see any signs that say whether we're on one or the other. I did see a paved trail, and I did see, it looks like stables or something for horses. I don't know, but we'll see. This is looks like it's a 3-mile loop, so we've got a little walking to do. All right, so I got a late start in the day. It's a little after 5 o'clock. I know this park closes at sundown. We should be out of here way before then. We could do 3 miles way before sundown. Yeah. Being that it's late in the day, the weather is gorgeous. It feels really good and comfortable out. There was no gate, and there was no fee to get in. Oh wait, so here's a fork in the road. Wow, I'm so busy looking around, I forgot to see whether I even locked my car. Luckily, I have somebody fit who can go back and take a look for me. Fit person. Okay, so see, there are paved trails. There's this gravel trail. Is this gravel? What is this? And across from there, there's what is that called over there? Some kind of arena. What does it say on the sign?
Show arena?
Yeah.
Show arena. Yeah.
Okay, so there's a show arena over there for horses. So I'm thinking this is the mountain bike trail right here. This type of terrain, I would think would be for the mountain bikes, which that's still about 3 miles. The paved trail, okay. And the paved trail, is that one supposed to be for the hiking? Not sure. It would be nice if they had signs out here. Okay, what's this sign that we're coming up to? Maybe this will tell us something. All right, why is this pointing? Why?
We're going the opposite way, but this is for bikes and hiking.
Okay, so this might be the green trail, maybe? So maybe this is the green trail, I'm not sure. Well, find time for them to put a kayak launch. Right. So, wow. You're kind of launching into, what is that? Into sawgrass.
Sorry.
Yep, I'm feeling like I'm on the wrong trail.
Yeah.
0.4 miles to 0 mile marker. Okay. Right. Looks like we're getting ready to go in somewhere.
Mostly, right?
Oh no.
Oh, yeah. You just move back down.
I want to know how many steps, how many calories I could possibly be burning. Even if it's not super accurate, I mean, I'm in the ballpark somewhere, I would think. It's been helping. Oh, you've been tracking your sleep too?
Yeah. So, I don't get enough deep sleep.
That's me too.
I guess REM sleep is like when you're, like your mind is repairing itself and resting, whereas deep sleep is when your body actually repairs itself. So like muscle tears, stuff like that.
Right.
Sickness. But I don't really get a lot of deep sleep, apparently. So I need to do something about that.
Yeah, you gotta change that.
Yeah.
It's saying here, wetlands, stay on designated trail. That's one thing I hadn't been doing is taking pictures as I've been going. It's just been videotaping. I can't believe it. I just wrapped my shirt around my waist. My shirt is gone. It just fell off. And I didn't even notice it was gone. Okay, gnats. Just walked into some gnats. Now, if we came out here much earlier in the day, definitely we want an umbrella. Or at least I would want an umbrella. I don't do something like that. Because it's not a lot of shade out here on this trail. But it's easy walking. I mean, I guess hiking is really just walking. It's just there are different types of terrain, and I guess, you know, where would you? I've seen articles say that a trail should be about 2 miles in length, or maybe a little over 2 miles in length in order to be considered a hike. And just like you said, in Florida, you know, I say the real hiking is going to be on that Florida trail. Oh, we got another map. So where are we right now? Okay, so we have made it here. Okay, so they're using a map to kind of show us where we are based on these little stars that keeps letting you know where you are. All right, that's inspirational. Walking trails, stay right. Okay, so I guess we should have gone in the way that you said go.
Oh, no, I said I didn't care.
No, but you wanted to go left, and
I didn't want to walk by those people. That was it.
oh. So I saw a sign that said 1.5 miles, so we must be halfway through this trail. 3 miles doesn't feel like a whole lot now. Why did 3 miles feel like a whole lot before? Now it doesn't feel like as much. Okay, so we've made it through a good portion of this. Yeah, we've got quite a bit more to go, but we're getting there. We're getting around that loop. Okay, so I'm looking at these signs out here. We've got about 4 stop signs. I don't want to cut though. I want to do my full 3 miles. Huh? The trail that we're on is going to be more than 3?
If we did cut this, because there's only 2 ways, we can go here, go down there, and then cut, and then, or you'd have to go.
Yeah, but look, we have this.
But you'd have to do water. All that. Look, this green is a trail.
We'll be in the center here, though.
I know.
There's no way to get out other than to come back out and keep going.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we need to stay.
That's why I was saying be more than 3.
Yeah, we need to stay on this.
That's like, oh, it's made out of shell.
Oh, there's a shell?
Limestone.
Oh, okay.
Basically.
I can't see where the sun is, actually. Okay, so this dirt trail that's over here, you think that's for pedestrians?
You're talking about this right there?
Yeah, as we were walking on this, I noticed that there was what looked like a dirt trail.
Mm-hmm.
Not gonna try to hop off on it though. Okay, I never miss an opportunity to get some shade. So, oop. Hi. We have made it up there, so we are close to the end. Walk through the woods. No, we not walk through the woods. In fact, the sun is going down, so we need to get out of here before they close the gate. Oh, this must be another service road right here.
No, that's part of the trail. That's the wood trail that I was talking about.
Oh, that's the woods trail?
Yeah.
Oh, so maybe this is the hiking trail right here.
Isn't it all hiking?
Because I'm seeing a sign here that says hiking.
Go ahead.
I can't believe it. We actually came to the end. I don't know why I'm saying I can't believe it. I could believe it. I can do 3 miles. But
3.3.
3.3? 3.3 miles we did. And it was quite pleasant. So we've made it out here. Now, what are some things? First off, I didn't see signs out here, but the nice thing is there were signs along the way to let you know how many miles you were going. Once you park, I would say we should have probably taken a left like you said, because we ended up going right, so we were going in the opposite direction of where the signs were telling us how many miles we had completed. But overall, I like this park. Really nice. If you come out midday, definitely bring an umbrella because there is no shade. But I would say in the morning and late evening, it is beautiful and the weather's gorgeous. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this. Give me a thumbs up if you did. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're not part of, if you'd like to see more videos about nature. All right. See you in the next video.